Hi everyone, I am Abhisar Oja and welcome to the Simplilearn YouTube channel. Before we begin, if you love watching tech videos, subscribe to our channel, like the tutorial and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Today, we are gonna integrate ChatGPT on WhatsApp. This will be a straight tutorial on how to integrate ChatGPT on one device, and you can use other device or the mobile phone to start a chat with the integrated device, and the ChatGPT will answer all your queries. I'll show you a demo before starting. So for that, first we'll open the command prompt and run the file main. For that, we'll write the command go run main.go. So this is the file that is written in the Go language, and we're gonna run with the command go run main.go. For that, you need to have Golang installed on your system. So I will guide you with all the process, but currently we are seeing the demo. So here, this command will generate a QR code that will scan with the device which we want to integrate the ChatGPT on. So we'll wait for the file to get executed, and after this we will execute the server.py file, and that will open the ChatGPT on the Firefox browser. You can also use other browsers, that is Chromium and other if you want, but we'll use Firefox to skip the one-step verification that ChatGPT asks us whether if we are a bot or a human. So we'll run the file again as there was some error. So this time, yeah, it ran perfectly. Now we'll take the device and open WhatsApp on it, in which we want to integrate the ChatGPT. So I'm using one device to just capture this QR code. So this is the device, and you can see that my device has captured this QR code, and you can see here that WhatsApp me MEOW, it has been activated. So now we'll run another file, that is server.py file, and that is the Python file. For that, we'll open the command prompt again, and that would be another command prompt. And to run that file, we'll write the command python server.py. And you can see in the Firefox browser, ChatGPT has opened, and I have logged in already, so it didn't ask me to log in again. Now we'll take another device and we'll message on the mobile device which has been integrated with the ChatGPT. So from this device, I will write hi, and you can see on the screen that ChatGPT replies, hello, how can I assist you today? And the same you could see on the WhatsApp chat. So today we will ask ChatGPT, what is the capital of India? So you can see that the ChatGPT is typing the capital of India is New Delhi, and it has been responded to our mobile device. So this is how we can integrate ChatGPT on our WhatsApp. And this would be the simple tutorial. In this, you don't need to code any. There would be another tutorial if you know what's behind the code or what behind the integration part. So you could watch that video and know how we have integrated. But in this tutorial, I will guide you with how to download the files and how to run the files and how you can integrate ChatGPT on your device. So I have a question for you, and your question is, how much time did OpenAI's ChatGPT took to hit 1 million users? So it's in days, and your first option is 9 days, second option is 5 days, third option is 7 days, and your fourth option is 6 days. Please answer in the comment section below, and we'll update the correct answer in the pinned comment, or we will answer you directly in the comments. So you can pause the video, give it a thought, and answer in the comment section. Now we'll move to start integrating ChatGPT on our device. So for that, first you have to download this repository, and it contains some files, and I will upload some more files here. You just have to download it download the zip file, and after downloading it, you just need to extract it in a folder. So we'll extract in C drive in Python projects. Mainly we create the folder here only. So here we'll create a folder. Okay, integrate ChatGPT in WhatsApp main, or yeah, right, integrate ChatGPT. That's it. So inside this folder we'll extract the files, and I think it's been done. So we'll just visit C drive, Python projects, and inside it we have integrate ChatGPT, and we have these two files. So to run these two files, what you need is you need Python installed on your system and Golang installed on your system. So I hope you guys know how to install Python and Golang. If you don't, I will just give you a quick tutorial. So to download the Python, you just need to visit the python.org website and move to the download section, and you will see the download the latest version for Windows. You just need to click that and the download will start for you. The package has been downloaded. So I will provide you the link on how to download the Python in the description box, and also the link for the GitHub repository. So you don't have to search it anywhere. Also, you can search it on the browser. Just write integrate ChatGPT in WhatsApp and Abhisar Ahuja. You will get the GitHub link, and just write GitHub also in the search bar. You will just redirect it to this. And now you have downloaded the Python. So just open the exe file and start with the installation. So you can choose add python.exe to path. You can choose that and customize installation, and just tick on the Python test suite, and the next you can add the Python to environment variables. So you have to tick both these options, and then you will click on the install. As I have already installed it, so I won't need to install it again. You just need to click on the install button, and here you will get the Python installed. Okay. And the other thing you need is Go language. So to download it, you have to go sorry, you have to go to its official website and go to the download section. And here you will see the Microsoft Windows. As I am working on the Windows operating system, so I will download for the Windows. I've already downloaded and installed it. So you guys can download it, and I will show you. Like, this is simple how to install Golang. You don't need to add anything. So it's been downloaded. Okay, to guide through the installation. Okay, so we are just waiting for the setup to be initialized so that we can install it. Now you can see the next button is available. Just click on that, and a previous version of Go programming is currently installed. Yes, you can see that it's already installed. So you don't need to do anything in installing the Go language. Just click on install and it would be installed for you. So I won't be installing it again, as I already installed on my device. So moving on, now what we'll do, first we'll run the server.py file. So for that, we will go to the folder where we have extracted our files, and here we'll open the command prompt and run the file server.py. So to run a Python file, we have to write the command python and then the name of the file, that is server, and its extension, that is py. So we have initiated that. Okay, Firefox is already running, as we have not closed what we have opened for the demo. I think it's an error. I will Again, run the command prompt. I will just close the previous command prompts. Yeah, I have closed them. Now I will open the new one and you should open the command prompt, the new command prompt after installing the Python and the Go language. I will also assist you in installing the GCC compiler because you would be needing that for Go language. So first we'll run the server file. So you could see that by running the python server.py file, you could see that the ChatGPT has opened up in the Firefox browser. So I will show you the code, what we need for that. You need to install the Flask, System OS modules, Playwright module, and here in the 16th line, you could see that we have used Firefox. You could use Chromium for Chrome, but the case is you need to do the one-step verification. That is the captcha thing for like initializing the ChatGPT. But we don't need that, so we are using the Firefox. So you should have Firefox on your system. Now, what I want you to do is just install these modules. As if these modules would not be installed on your system, it would show an error. It would give you an error in the command prompt only, as I have already installed them, so it's not giving me any error. So I will tell you the commands to install them. So to install Flask, you can just write pypi space Flask in any browser and it will direct to the website. So you could open the first link, that would be pypi.org, and this is the command pip install Flask. So you can just copy that and open your command prompt. First we'll quit it, Control C, and now you could see that we are in the folder integrate ChatGPT, and here you could paste this command and press enter. It states that the requirement is already satisfied, as I have already installed these modules, and the other module you need is Playwright. So just copy the command, go to your command prompt and paste this command and press enter. It would be installed for you. And another module you need is virtual environment. So just copy this and paste in your command prompt. And another module you need is the OS module. OS SYS system, and we'll open the pypi, that is the official website, the pip command website, and you just copy the command, go to your command prompt, paste the command and press enter, and this module would also be installed for you guys. And now you have installed the Go language, the Python language, and the modules you need to run the server.py file. Now what you need to do is run the Go file. But before running the Golang file, what you need is GCC compiler. So to download it, I will provide you the link for the GCC, or you could just see here. I'll provide you the link in the description box below. You could just click on that. You would be redirected to this page. Just click on this release, that was 24th May. And what you need to download is this 64 plus 32-bit. Just download it, and as it gets downloaded, just open it and click on the create button, and after that the second option, then next, and the directory you want to install in. As I already installed this, I will choose the C directory only. In C, I would install in Python projects. Okay. Okay, didn't took the folder in C. Oh, sorry, cancel it. In Python projects, and in the same folder, that was integrate ChatGPT. Okay, so I'll click on next. There is no time to install it. Yes, I want to install here. And when you click on install, it would get installed for you guys. I've already installed it and the process started, so it will get installed again. So now what you have to do is you have got the all the requirements to integrate the ChatGPT on WhatsApp. That is all the modules for the server.py file and the main.go file. For that you have installed the Go language and the GCC compiler. So you could run both the files, and for that we will close the command prompts and open the new command prompts. And this is a folder, so we will open one command prompt here. Sorry. And we have to open different command prompts for both the files, for the Golang file and the Python file. Okay, so we'll open the command prompt here, and now to run the Golang file we need to write the command go space run space the name of the file and the extension, that is main.go, and we have executed the file, and this file will provide us with a QR code, and we'll scan this QR code from our first device in which we want to integrate the ChatGPT. And before that we will run our another file, that is server.py file, and for that we'll open another command prompt and to run this file we'll write the command python space the name of the file, that is server, and the extension .py. So we'll see whether a QR code is generated or not, and I can see that it's been linked to the previous device as we have done in the demo, so we haven't logged it out. So I will check with the device. Yeah, it's been active, so I will just log out from that device and run it again. Or I will open another command prompt to run the Golang file again. So to run it we'll open the command prompt and write the command cmd for that, and here we'll write the command to run the go file, and we have done that. And if we see the server.py file, yeah, it has been perfectly executed, but we are not able to. Yeah, our ChatGPT is running fine. Now what we have to do is use our first device to scan this QR code so that ChatGPT gets linked to our first device, and then we'll use another device to chat with the ChatGPT. So now we have opened our first device and open the WhatsApp and click on the link devices, and here we will scan this QR code, and you can see that it's logging in. Now it's logged in, and now from the another device we'll ask a query to ChatGPT, and we'll ask ChatGPT to write a code to add two integers, and that too in Python. So we just misspelled Python, but we hope that our ChatGPT understood that. So here we can see that the ChatGPT got the command, and it has run a good example. So here's an example code to add two integers in Python. So you can see that ChatGPT has been integrated, and we'll see its response. Yeah, we got the response. And now we'll ask another question, and that would be, what is the currency of United States? Let's see what it responds. The currency of United States is the United States dollar. It is the most commonly used currency in international transaction and is the world's primary reserve currency. So we can see that till it writes all the lines or sentences, it's been executed on the browser, and after it completes or it stops generating the answer, it sends it to the WhatsApp chat. So here we are done with the project. Now you guys have understood how to integrate ChatGPT with WhatsApp, and what you have done is we have downloaded the repository and we have to extract all the files that are present in the repository. I will update all the files. You just have to extract them into a folder and then run the main.go file and the server.py file. And before executing these files, you need to have Golang and Python installed on your system. And for the Python, you need some modules that we have seen. That is the Playwright module, the Flask module, the OS system module, and the virtual environment module. So we have seen how to install them. And when you will just execute the file on the command prompt, you would get errors if these files or modules are not installed on your system. And for Golang, we have installed the GCC compiler. And after installing all these requirements, then you have to just run both the files. And when you run the Golang file, you will get the QR code. Just scan it with your device on which you want to integrate the ChatGPT. And after that, from any device, you can just message on that number on which you have integrated the ChatGPT, and the ChatGPT would answer all your queries. And with that, our session is completed, and I hope the session was interesting and informative. If you liked it, please let us know in the comment section below, and also do subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.